Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3 using Anaconda 3 on Windows operating system. We will download the installer from anaconda.com. So we will download it from here. I'll give you the link to this website in the description. We recommend all the CS220 and CS319 students to install the current version of Python and Anaconda so that all the TAs, peer mentors, students and instructors have the same version. Now click on this exe file. It will launch the installer window. Okay, click on next, then agree. Of course, it's a license. If you won't agree, then you won't be able to install Anaconda from this website. And then click on next, and then next. This is the important thing for Windows, so you have to check both boxes. Although it seems like a warning, but we have to check both boxes for this course. Click on install. It will take some time, so I'll pause the video. Okay, so now we could install it. Click on next, next, and then finish. Now we will type PowerShell in the search. Um, if we could install Anaconda properly, then it should give us Python version. How can we find Python version? Simply type Python space hyphen version and then hit enter. We got this version, so we need this version for this course. Okay, so now we have to install Otter to run auto-graded tests for the projects of this course. To install Otter, we will use pep. Pep is a package installer for Python, and we will type pep install Otter hyphen grader and then hit enter. It will install it very quickly, and then we will check its version similar to Python version. So we will type otter space hyphen version, and then it should give us the version of the otter. Yeah, so we get otter version 4.2.1. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll stop here.